So my name is Reid Ipser. I'm the Technical Director for Nisus Corporation, and I'm here to give you a quick training video on how to apply Niban. So Niban is a bait, and bait's different from residual granule insecticides by the fact that an insect has to consume the material and ingest the material, as compared to a residual granule insecticide where the active ingredient diffuses from the granule and resides in the soil. What's great about insect baits, particularly Niban, is that it's attractive to target insects on the label, and it won't affect pollinators and non-target insects such as bees and butterflies. The Niban granule is weatherized and will last through 4 inches of rain. So in some states, there's restrictions in the applications of pyrethroids, particularly when it rains or when it's going to rain or after it rains. Those restrictions do not apply to Niban. So Niban is a bait on a corncob grit, which includes food-grade attractants, and it's completely organic. Okay. Using our 4-pound shaker, applying Niban is super simple. All one needs to do is walk around the perimeter of the structure and periodically shake some bait around the perimeter. All right, now we're done. That's how easy it is to apply Niban granular bait.